Hey there, today we are taking a look at the Xperdyte Feedback Console. This is where the magic happens and your factory floor data meets your accounting system. Before we get into the details, if you haven't seen our introduction to feedback video yet, check out the link in the description. It covers the basics of why this data is so important for your business. Why is the Feedback Console essential? It provides the key functions needed to accurately capture real-time factory activity. This functionality eliminates guesswork, helping you to track costs, manage stock levels, and maintain your production schedule effectively. To begin, navigate to your works order grid. Choose the design works order, ensuring its status falls within the 20 to 39 range. Then, click the console button located in the top toolbar. This action brings all the relevant information for that specific works order into a unified view. In the Feedback Console, at the very top, you have some handy shortcuts. You can refresh the data, edit the works order, or print out your project documents. There are also buttons to check your stock availability or add quick notes to the works order. In the top section, you will see the core info like the works order number, the bill of materials code, and the project name. You can even update the status or change the priority right here if things on the floor have changed. On the right, you will see a yellow box for capture options. This lets you set the issue date for all your entries at once. You can also toggle settings to automatically handle lot numbers or print documents as you go. Now let's look at the tabs. The Overview tab gives you a summary of the whole works order, including key dates like when it started and when it is due. It is a great way to see the current health of the works order. You will notice some percentage bars here. Just a heads up, these are a value comparison, not a quantity comparison. So if it shows 50%, that means half of the planned cost has been captured so far, not necessarily half of the items. The Backflush tab is your ultimate shortcut. If everything went exactly to plan, you can use these buttons to automatically issue all your costs and production to match your expected standards in one click. If you need to record variances, use the Costs and Production tabs. Clicking the blue buttons lets you put in manual details for things like extra labor or wasted material, while the auto buttons let you stick to the plan of expected standards. Finally, the Reprint tab keeps a list of every entry you have already captured. If you need to print a document again, like a raw material issue slip, you will find it all right here. That is a quick look at the Feedback Console. In our next videos, we will dive deeper into how to capture specific costs and production entries. See you then.